Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
New York Times Business.
October 19, 11:23 America, New York. F.D.A. panel recommends pulling preterm birth drug from the market. The agency has weighed years of study that showed the treatment given accelerated approval 11 years ago was not effective. The preterm birth drug Makena has been in use for 11 years, but the F.D.A.
New York Times Business.
October 19, 11:14 America, New York. Suzanne Scott's vision for Fox News gets tested in court. Suzanne Scott remade Fox News Media into a lucrative consumer brand. But a $1.6 billion defamation suit against the company is testing her strategy and leadership. Daily FX Market News.
October 19, 11:03 America, New York. U.S. dollar price action setups. EUR, USD, GBP, USD, USD, CAD, USD, JPY. The US dollar has bounced from support, but the big question is whether bulls can continue the move, even with a stretched scenario in EUR, USD.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 19, 10:05 America, New York. Ukraine's grain exports recover to near pre-war levels. The rise in exports, which were hit hard by the country's war with Russia, hides continued hurdles for Ukraine's globally important agricultural industry, experts say.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
October 19, 8:58 America, New York. Economics of Immigration. In a previous Econlog post I discussed the origins of ska. But how did we get from ska to ska punk? Jamaican immigration to England was crucial to the birth of ska punk.
Global economy.
October 19, 8:55 America, New York. Nestlé price rises push sales growth to highest level in 14 years. World's largest food manufacturer ups its forecasts after price increases of 7.5% this year.
Daily FX Market News.
October 19, 8:55 America, New York. CAD breaking news. USD, CAD drops as inflation cools for third consecutive month. Canadian inflation continues its slowdown, with the BOC unlikely to alter its hawkish stance. Will the BOC respond with a 50 BP or 75 BP hike next week?
Global economy.
October 19, 7:59 America, New York. Containing China as Biden's explicit goal. U.S. efforts to isolate Beijing's high-tech sector may accelerate Xi Jinping's bid to take control of Taiwan.
New York Times Business.
October 19, 7:59 America, New York. What the bank stock rally says about Wall Street. A strong batch of earnings have propelled bank stocks in recent days, but investors remain more cautious on the outlook of Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, dialing back ambitions. Global economy. October 19, 7:58 America, New York. There is such high need teachers step in as UK cost of living crisis bites. Rising hardship in schools risks exacerbating educational inequality and hampering pupils' long-term prospects.
BBC News Business.
October 19, 7:45 America, New York. Great British Railways Transport Bill shelved. The Transport Secretary admits the full plan for overhauling how the railways are run will be delayed.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 19, 7:42 America, New York. Why another term for Xi might be in U.S.'s interest. China's leader has made his country's challenge to the West clearer but its economic prospects darker.
Daily FX Market News.
October 19, 7:30 America, New York. The New York session. Forex trading tips. When the U.S. session overlaps with the London session, it is considered the most liquid period of the day.
Marginal revolution.
October 19, 7:25 America, New York. Treason. The International Shipping Panel of the Maritime Transportation System National Advisory Committee, a quasi-official advisory board, is not happy with the Cato Institute and Mercatus.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 19, 7 o'clock America, New York. Warnings cast shadow on chip earnings season. Falling demand and U.S. curbs on semiconductor exports to China pressure companies including Nvidia and Applied Materials.
BBC News Business.
October 19, 4:31 America, New York. ASOS sees big loss as shoppers spend less on fashion. The online fashion retailer says it is feeling the pain of a shrinking UK economy.
BBC News Business.
October 19, 2:05 America, New York, UK inflation rate rises to 10.1%. Inflation, a measure of price rises, returned to 10.1% in the 12 months to September, according to official figures.
Marginal revolution.
October 19, 057 America, New York, classical liberalism versus the new right. It has become increasingly clear that the political right in America is not what it used to be. In particular, my own preferred slant of classical liberalism is being replaced.
Digital finance.
October 19, 034 America, New York. What is fintech's fate in SE Asia if e-commerce fails? Indonesia's Blibli's drive to list on IDX reveal chinks in Southeast Asia's fintech growth narrative. The post What is fintech's fate in SE Asia if e-commerce fails? Appeared first on Digital Finance.